This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the hardware and account ready. Charge the Smart Vision glasses above 50%, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices so they can pair. Open the companion app on your phone, sign in, and follow the initial pairing prompts. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so data flows. Make sure to position the glasses comfortably over your eyes and adjust the nose pads. This prevents glare and keeps sensors aligned for accurate tracking. Now you calibrate and learn controls. Run the eye tracking and AR alignment routine inside the app so virtual overlays sit correctly in your view. Next, adjust display brightness and audio volume for indoor or outdoor use and set gesture sensitivity to match your hand motion. Practice the core gestures. Tap to select, swipe to scroll, and hold for context menus in the tutorial mode. This helps muscle memory. As you go, test voice commands and shortcuts so you can switch hands-free when needed. To finish, sync your preferences and back up any settings, then update the glasses firmware and the app so you avoid bugs. Practice real tasks like navigation, object recognition, and recording short clips. Once comfortable, enable privacy mode and secure pairing for public environments. If something goes wrong, try a quick reboot, recalibrate sensors, and verify app permissions. If the display jitters, reduce brightness and check Wi-Fi stability. If problems persist, contact support with device lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.